Are you worried that Wise support call might be a scam? Set up a secret code to instantly verify it's really them. It is one of the most effective ways to shut down impersonation scammers before they even get started. And the best part? It takes less than a minute to set up. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly where to go in your Wise account to create that secure communication code in just a few clicks. I have walked through these settings myself and documented every step, so you do not have to guess.
Let us jump in. Start by logging into your Wise account on your computer or phone. Once you are in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon. It is usually a little circle with your initials or a photo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Now here is the important step. From that profile menu, select the option that says Security and Privacy. This is where Wise keeps all the settings that protect your account, like two-factor authentication and login history.
But we are looking for something very specific here. Once you are on the Security and Privacy page, you will need to scroll down a bit. Do not worry, it is not buried too deep. Look for a section or an option that says Secure Communication Code. Click on that. Now, this is where the magic happens. You will see a text box asking you to type in a code. And here is the really important part. Think of a memorable code that only you and Wise would know. This is not your password. It is a simple word or number that you can easily recall during a phone call or an email exchange. For example, it could be your favorite color, a lucky number, or a short word. Avoid using anything obvious like your birthday or your pet's name if you have shared that online. The goal here is to make it something only you would pick. Once you have decided on your code, type it into the box. Double-check it for any typos because you need to say it exactly the same way if Wise ever asks you to verify. Then, look for the button that says Create Communication Code. Click that to save it. And that is it. You are now protected. The next time Wise calls you or sends you an email, they will ask you to confirm that code before they share any sensitive information. If the person on the line cannot provide that code, hang up. It is not Wise. Thanks for following along. Now you have one less thing to worry about when it comes to your account security. If you found this helpful, make sure you set that code up right now while it is fresh in your mind.